everyone, welcome to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video you are going to learn the important bits from the Golgi complex or Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. So Golgi complex is a stack of smooth membranous structures that are associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. So they are enclosed by a single unit membrane and present in all eukaryotic cells, and they are absent in prokaryotes. Okay, see the picture. This is the Golgi complex, very important organelle found in all eukaryotic cells. So they are previously called as dictyosomes, lipochondria or Baker bodies. They are generally found abundantly in secretory cells. So their number is maximum in root tip cells. Okay, so under electron microscope they have the three main components such as cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Okay, so they have three main components. Let's see the one by one. Okay, first one are cisternae. Cisternae, look at the picture. So these are the cisternae. So the cisternae are elongated flattened sacs filled with fluids. So they are arranged in parallel bundles one above the other. So generally cisternae are slightly curved. Hence they have convex and concave surfaces. So they have two sides, namely cis or forming phase, trans or maturing phase. Okay, so they have two phases, that is nothing but cis phase and trans phase. Okay, so the convex surface is forming phase. Here the new lamellae are added from the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so here the vesicles are coming from outside, they are added to the Golgi body. Okay, so next coming to the concave surface, that is nothing but maturing phase. Here the secretory vesicles are budded off. Okay, so here the secretory vesicles are budded off. See the picture. Okay, so thus the cisternae are continuously receiving the lamellae on the forming phase and losing membranes on the maturing phase through the formation of secretory vesicles. Okay, so they are continuously receiving the lamellae on the forming phase. Forming phase nothing but cis phase. And losing membranes on the maturing phase. Maturing phase nothing but trans phase. Okay, so that they are continuously working. Okay, so now coming to the next part, next components, they are tubules. See the picture. Tubules arise from peripheral areas of cisternae. Generally they interconnect the different cisternae. See the picture. You will find tubules. Okay, so next coming to the vesicles. Okay, so vesicles, these are the small sac-like structures arise from the distal end of the cisternae. Okay, so from the distal end of the cisternae, small vesicles are formed. Okay, these are called as secretory vesicles. They may call secretory vesicles. Okay, so these vesicles they develop either by budding or by constriction of the ends of the cisternae. They are developed either by budding or by the constriction of the ends of the cisternae. These are nothing but vesicles. Okay, so this is regarding Golgi complex. Let's see the important competitive bits from the Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Golgi bodies are discovered by, answer is Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi for the first time discovered the Golgi apparatus in the nerve cells of barn owl. Next question. In plant cells, the Golgi complex consists of many freely distributed subunits called as dictyosomes. In plant cells, they are called as dictyosomes. They are arranged freely in the cytoplasm. Each subunit called as dictyosomes. They are collectively called as Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. A stack of cisternae attached with the tubules, vesicles is referred as a dictyosome. Next question. Primary lysosomes arises from. Answer is Golgi body. Answer is Golgi body. Next question. Which organelle is present in zone of exclusion and have definite polarity? Answer is Golgi body. Next question. Cellulose and hemicellulose are synthesized by. Answer is Golgi complex. Okay, cellulose and hemicelluloses, which are the constituents of cell wall, they are synthesized by the Golgi body. Next question. Which organelle plays an important role in the secretion of lipids, hormones and enzymes? Answer is Golgi complex. Next question. Name the cell organelle which is involved in the formation of cell plate. Answer is Golgi complex. Next question. Cell organelle involved in the synthesis of middle lamellum. Answer is Golgi complex. The vesicles that are formed from the Golgi body form the middle lamellum. They are generally forming cell plate. From the cell plate, the middle lamella is formed later. Next question. The main function of Golgi complex is. Answer is glycosylation. Answer is glycosylation. Glycosylation is the controlled enzymatic modification of an organic molecule, especially protein, by adding sugar molecules. Okay, so which is an enzymatic modification of proteins by the addition of sugar molecules, nothing but glycosylation, which is performed by Golgi complex. The main function of Golgi apparatus. Answer is package of proteins for secretion. So this is the main function of Golgi apparatus. So proteins generated in the endoplasmic reticulum, they are transported to the Golgi bodies and it does the processing of proteins and transports the processing protein to the different parts of the cell. So it also directs the carbohydrates and proteins required by the body to their correct destination. So it is a primary job of Golgi body. So it transports carbohydrates and proteins to their destination. Here the carbohydrates and proteins are tagged with the destination information, should remember, and they have structural modifications. They are the structural modifications also have done in the Golgi body. So that's why the Golgi bodies are commonly called as post office of the cell.